Good morning, and welcome to the IFCC Global MedWeek Lab 2026, A Day at the Lab. On behalf of the Institute of Pathology of the Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center, we are proud to open our laboratory to future healthcare professionals. At CGHMC, our laboratory is committed to delivering accurate, reliable, and timely results. Every specimen that enters our lab carries a responsibility, because behind every tube is a patient waiting for answers. But our mission goes beyond diagnostics. We are also a training institution. We believe that excellence in laboratory medicine must be passed on to the next generation. Today, you will witness how we maintain quality standards, ensure precision through strict quality control measures, and work as a team to support clinicians in making life-saving decisions. We hope that through this immersion, students will see that laboratory medicine is not just about machines and microscopes. It is about competence, integrity, and patient-centered care. Welcome to A Day at the Lab.
As medical laboratory science students, the opportunity to spend a day immersed in the laboratory at Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center means a lot to us. In the College of Public Health, the four walls of our classroom have taught us various principles and theories. In our laboratory sessions, these concepts come to life as we learn activities such as blood banking, cross-matching, blood counting, urinalysis, fecalysis, culture, microscopy, and a lot more. The sheer knowledge we have gained through our courses gave us a comprehensive understanding and training of the science that happens in medical labs. However, a day at the lab with the Chinese General Hospital allows us to experience the transition of what we learned in the university into the real world. The exposure gave us the opportunity to observe standardized laboratory workflows and witness firsthand the standards, responsibilities, and professionalism expected of laboratory scientists. This experience motivates us to take our training seriously and has ingrained in us that every detail matters, because every step in the laboratory can affect the results and ultimately impact a patient's life. Today, we realize that the path towards becoming competent medical laboratory scientists requires more than just lectures. Today was not just a day at the lab, it was a glimpse into our future profession.
Through a day at the lab, students get to appreciate how a single test result is far more than just a number, how it is an integral part in clinical decision-making. Daily laboratory findings provide the objective evidence needed to confirm a diagnosis, appropriately develop a treatment plan, or precisely monitor a patient's progress or recovery. This is the Institute of Pathology Laboratory of the Chinese General Hospital. It offers a wide range of services comprising hematology, clinical microscopy, clinical chemistry, immunology and serology, clinical microbiology, blood bank, molecular pathology, anatomical pathology, drug testing, and microbial water analysis. For today's A Day at the Lab, we will be looking into 3 of CGH's laboratory sections. The students were immersed in different laboratories of the hospital. The hematology section is responsible for the study, analysis, and evaluation of blood and its components such as white blood cells, red blood cells, platelets, and plasma. Tests under the hematology section include complete blood count, prothrombin time, erythrocyte sedimentation rate, and other coagulation and specialized hematology tests. The medical laboratory scientists use automated analyzers and microscopic examination to provide test results that aid in the diagnosis, treatment, and monitoring of hematologic diseases such as anemia, leukemia, and coagulation abnormalities. The clinical microscopy section is responsible for the processing and testing of bodily fluids, primarily urine and feces, with the use of microscopes and machines. From automated urine tests to manual fecal smears, the medical laboratory scientists in this section continuously deliver accurate, timely, and substantial results for the diagnosis of patients. The surgical pathology laboratory focuses on the processing of tissue and cellular specimens that can aid in the diagnosis of various diseases. There are subsections inside the lab that include the gross processing area, staining area, microtome area, and frozen section area. These coordinated steps of the laboratory provide an overview of tissue processing. With these, medical laboratory scientists as well as pathologists work together to aid clinicians in the prevention, monitoring, and curing of diseases.
The 3 laboratories are just a peek of the bulk of the work that laboratory scientists do in a hospital in order to deliver timely results. Together with the other students, we are truly grateful to the Chinese General Hospital and Medical Center for giving us the opportunity to learn beyond the classroom. We thank our professors as well for equipping us with the knowledge necessary to be competent laboratory scientists. This experience, hand in hand with our laboratory rotations and activities in CPH, has helped us be more aware of our role as future healthcare professionals. These experiences have imparted us with invaluable knowledge and deepened our passion to make an impact. We must be able to adapt and always meet the evolving challenges in healthcare to contribute meaningfully in patient care and the wider public health landscape.
While the College of Public Health program of the University of the Philippines, Manila, provides a strong foundation in laboratory theories, principles, and case studies, experiences like those at the Chinese General Hospital Laboratory allow those lessons to truly come alive in a real clinical environment. Training medical laboratory scientists goes beyond lectures. It requires real-world immersion, ethical mentorship, and positive role modeling in actual healthcare settings. A future of medical laboratory sciences starts with a day at the lab.